In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Sociopro, that's Laravel Private Social Network. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager, files, then file manager. Now, here is my file manager. From my file manager, I go to my subdomain I want to use. Here is it. I've already uploaded the script, so next I'm going to extract it. Right click, then extract files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the affiliate our buy me a coffee link in description to buy me a coffee. So next, close it. I will double click to open this, the extracted file, then select all. I move to the root folder. So after that, I go back to my cPanel, then to my database for me to create a database. Okay. Let me name my database as this. Create database. I've successfully created the database, so next I click on go back. After that, I create the user for the database. Let me name it as this. Then quit user. I've successfully created my user. Next, I click on go back. After creating the database and the user, next I'm going to add the user to the database. It has already selected it for me automatically. If not, I'm going to select from the list. Then next I click on add. I give all privileges. Scroll down to make changes. Now I go to my subdomain. See? So it starts installation process. Continue. Here I'm going to upload my purchase code. After that, I click on continue. So next I click my database name, username, host, that's localhost. Then I click on continue. Imports. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Confirm install. System name. Sociopro admin. Let me say admin@example.com. Africa, Lagos. Set me up. So next I click on login. Installation was successful. Then login. Now I've successfully installed my script. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use our buy me coffee link in description to buy me coffee. Thank you.